Question 26. Let's go. Evaluate integral from 1 to 2 of the function x squared minus 4x with respect to x, that is dx. So this is a question on calculus, particularly integration, and more specifically, definite integral. So how do we go there? How do we go about this? First thing, you need to recall your general integral rule or power rule when the function is a polynomial function. So you need to remember this integral of x raised to power n with respect to x equal to x raised to power n plus 1 all over n plus 1 plus constant c. So even though the constant does not have any effect, since this one is definite integral, I don't need to add constant. So let's go for this question now. So let me integrate from 1 to 2 of the function x squared minus 4x with respect to x. So if I apply this formula for the first part, which is x squared, so it means I will add 1 to the power and divide by the new power. So I will have x raised to power 2 plus 1, that will give me 3 all over, then divide by 2, that same 2 plus 1, that will be 3 minus, this one will also be 4x. So add 1 is the original power, add 1 to that 1, you have 2. So that is 2, divide it by the new power, which is also 2. So instead of writing this like this, okay, I can just, since 4 can reduce by these 2, so I can just have it as 4 divided by 2, that will just give me 2. But don't forget that this is definite integral, running from 1 to 2. So I can put it like this, running from 1 to 2. Now the essence of this is that I will substitute 2 inside this function, get my result, and subtract. So then I will substitute 1 inside this function again, then subtract the substitution of 1 from the substitution of 2. So let's go about that. So what I will do, let's start with the 2. I'll have 2 raised to power 3 over 3 minus 2 brackets 2 raised to the power of 2. That is, anywhere I see x, I'll put 2. Put all of this in brackets. Do the same thing for substitution of 1. I'll give me 1 raised to power 3 over 3 minus 2 bracket 1 raised to the power of 2. Close the bracket. Next thing, simplify further to get your final answer. 2 raised to 3 is 8 over 3 minus 2 raised to 2. You have to do that first. 2 squared is 4 times the 2 that we have outside. That will give me 8. Now, we open this bracket. This will give me 1 squared. That is 1 over 3. Then minus 2. 1 squared is still 1 times the 2 that we have 2. So the next thing is to open this bracket and simplify for that. Let's say 8 over 3 minus 8 minus 1 over 3 minus or plus 2. So we can put like terms together and add this together. This will give me 8 over 3 plus 1 over 8 over 3 minus 1 over 3. That will just give me 7 over 3 because they have the same denominator. Then minus 8 plus 2, that will give me minus 6. The next thing is to combine the fraction to get our final result. So don't waste your time on this kind of thing. Just say 3 times minus 6. 3 times minus 6, that will give me minus 18. Minus 18 plus the 7 that we have here, that is minus 11. So I'll have minus 11 over minus 18 minus 7 plus 7, that's minus 11 over 3. So that is option D. Thank you.